for the Dickey, and it's 2 sheets of paper, okay? 2 sheets of paper, and what you're going to do is you're slowly and carefully going to cut these pieces out. And you're going to cut them on the dark lines, okay? So you're going to cut all these pieces out accurately and properly so that what you have is the entire Dickey cut out like this, all the pieces. And here are the pieces that you have. You have a front, you have a back, you have a front facing, you have a back facing, you have a front interfacing, and you have a back interfacing. So it's 2, 4, 6, okay? 6 pieces. That's what you should have cut out. That's it. This says place on fold. Let me see. Then there's the back. Then there's the front facing. And so it lays out like this. I mean, you could move it together to save a little bit on fabric if you wanted to. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to pin it, and I'm going to pin it down the exact same way that we did it before. Always pin in the 4 corners. And this says cut on fold, so you want to lay it on the fold. And the front facing says cut on fold as well. So let me pin these pieces down, and then I'll call you up and show you how to cut them, okay? Here's the Dickey. Here's a sample of what the Dickey is going to be. It's not a garment, it's just a sample. And what it helps you learn is this. It teaches you how to apply woven non-fusible interfacing. You're going to learn how to do a facing and do an opening for a zipper, and this is what we do, okay? So this is the Dickey. So we're going to cut out the pieces the same way you cut out the skirt, is cut out the pieces all around slowly and carefully. After you have the pieces cut out, you're going to notch them. Okay. So there's our front. There's our front facing. Now remember, when it says cut me on fold, what does it mean?
Place on fold.
Not cut me on fold, but what?
Cut where your crease is.
Yeah, put it on the fold line of the fabric, right? Okay, there's 2. My scissors are really good. And I get them sharpened every fall.
There's a place in here you sharpen your scissors?
What?
They sharpen scissors here?
No, not at FIT. On Thursdays for the interfacing, and I know because they both say interfacing. And the front I placed on the fold. So it's going to mirror the fact that the front of the Dickey is on the fold. And here's the back.
I'm cutting non-fusible or fusible?
This is non-fusible.
Does the color matter if it's black or white?
Black is not going to look great.
The store across the street only had black.
After everything's cut, you're going to do all your notches, of which there aren't many. There's a notch. You're going to notch the 3 arms of the darts. There's a notch on the shoulder. Notch on the shoulder. Again, on the facing, there's a shoulder notch. Shoulder notch. And then the only other thing you need to mark is the dart on the back, okay? So you can take your carbon, your tracing wheel, and slowly and carefully you want to mark the 3 arms of your dart. And what's also really important is to mark the end of the dart. Okay? And that's it.